Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 1149. We're opening one box of 1415 in the game Ultimate Vault and Memorabilia Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended August 13th at 10:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 18 past 10 a.m. Friday, August 14th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Just like to mention, we got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and from 8 till 10:30 p.m. And we do have another Ultimate Vault identical to this one. We also have new 2015 Leaf in the game used at 9, ending at 9. And an ITG game used ending at 8. That said, on with the break. Ultimate. Well, that's a good start. Super Mario. Portrait in Courage. Fighting for the battle of his life. Okay. Looks like a number and patch. Wow. What does that mean? 7th edition. In front of this card, a piece of an emblem and number. I was right. Mario Lemieux, Pittsburgh Penguins. You're a piece of hockey history. Ultimate fact. Hockey took a back seat on January 12th, 83, with the news that Lemieux had been diagnosed with Hawking's disease. After his treatment on March 2nd, he returned to the game lineup. Okay, I remember that. Beautiful card, 1 of 1. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. Oh, wow, that's a nice patch. Marian Gaborik, Ultimate Patch, emblem. Beautiful, beautiful. I received emblem card, number 4th edition card is a piece of emblem from game used Marian Gaborik from Minnesota Wilds jersey. Showing a piece of hockey history. So Minnesota gets the Marian Gaborik patch. Ultimate Rookie Autographs. Oh wow, Rick Nash. You've received a rookie autograph card from the Ultimate 3rd edition of this card. That's 11 years ago. Rick Nash, enjoy your piece of hockey history. Let me just double check here. Just curious. Our card goes to Rangers. Yeah, actual team. Card goes to Rangers. Nope, sorry. Sorry, I don't put my glasses here. I thought it wasn't I didn't see the logo here. Let's get it close up. Oh, sorry. We've got the Columbus logo top left. I thought it was like a minor hockey jersey, but it says Blue Jacket top left. The card goes to Blue Jacket. Sorry about that. That's why I take my time and double check everything. It's a beautiful card. Okay, let's do a quick recap. So, Super Mario patch and number for Pittsburgh, 1 of 1. We've got Marian Gaborik, Ultimate Emblem, 1 of 1, goes to Minnesota. And Ultimate Rookie Autograph, Rick Nash. We do have the Blue Jacket logo on the top left. So the card goes to Blue Jacket. That concludes our break number 1149. Be sure to check out the other box break tonight. We have 6 of them between 8 and 10:30. Don't forget, we have another Ultimate Vault ending at 10:30. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.